And then is Althea's room kind of set to put stuff on? Maybe.
But this is our new bed, guys. King size. Kaka-deliver lang today, guys. So, binili namin ito sa Living Spaces. So, coming pa ang frame.
It's going to take me a while to go through and read all this stuff.
So, yun ang bagong bed namin, guys. At ang old namin na bed is nasa upstairs. At saka yung frame niya nasa upstairs rin, guys. Pinalitan namin ng bago. So, ito, kakarating lang.
Hand me that one right back here. Just kind of pull up on that end.
What is this?
Oh, man. Ground is so rough. Alright, let's walk out. I got the BVs. This thing. Oh my God, this thing. Something's not right. Do this real fast, or take forever. I don't know why the light in here just sucks.
You need some light?
A little more light, I think.
You can get a flashlight.
For some reason, this thing wasn't. Just keep holding it, and then I'm gonna switch over here. Give me that. I gotta get a couple bucks, and then I'm gonna trade you places. Just pick it up, and I don't want to squish it. Right, just a little bit. There we go. So that's a lot better. This one right here. I don't know if I can put the bed on it though. I'm missing screws. I can go to Lowe's, but I'll have to be there till they close at 10, and then probably it could take a couple months of going every day, and then have to spend all weekend at Lowe's trying to match up a screw. I like they're organized in ways where you can get the exact size. Sometimes you have to look and compare it to like hundreds of thousands of screws. There's guys that sometimes it takes 20 years to find the correct replacement part. And some guys, sometimes you never even find it.
So ito yun na yun guys. Malapit na yan matapos ang paglagay niya ng screw. Sorry for the noise kasi napakadaldal na asawa ko guys. So ito, nag-i-edit ako guys. Nagtatago. Pero napakaingay pa rin ng husband ko. So, ito yun. Almost done. Natapos na rin guys. So, malapit na yan matapos. Ito na yun ang
So, malapit nang matapos guys.
Kaya malapit na yan. Malapit na malagay ang bed. So, yan. So, naglalaro ang aking anak at ang asawa ko guys. Kaya maingay. So, yeah. So, by the way guys, nabili ito namin sa Amazon.
That's a king
Frame.
frame guys.
At
King,
dalawang bed
I thought these things would be
sa
wide,
living
though. That's what
spaces.
king
So,
frame.
malaki talaga. Napakalambot niya higaan guys. So,
pretty thin. I mean, there's a bunch of them.
ito ang pagbili namin sa living spaces sa store na living spaces. Bago lang yan dito sa ano guys. Kaya always kami doon na kami nag ano sa living spaces, namili ng mga gamit namin sa bahay. Pero bibili lang kami doon once nag-sale guys, kasi malaking discount. Kaya ito
Kita.
sa Amazon ito na frame guys.
what is
$100
that name?
ito sa
Pichikita.
Amazon. Maganda siya
What is that
guys
mean?
kasi ano
Chiquitita.
metal.
I don't even know what that word is.
Kahit malaki ang bed, napakasolid niyan.
What are you talking
So yeah, malapit na matapos ang ating
No.
video.
You say something.
Oh,
I didn't
that's
So,
understand.
ilagay namin ni Aaron ang bed. So, check niya lahat yan guys para kung tama ba ang mga, pero the same lang yan lahat ang mga
Must to be
sizes,
locked.
pero dapat nakalock talaga sila ng mabuti kasi alam niyo niya guys, may mga anak tayo, maglaro sa bed, anong tawag dito, maglaro, mag-jump, ganun, kaya
Like I can bend
dapat
steel.
safe talaga guys. Kaya solid ang ating ilagay na frame para hindi mahulog ang mga anak. So ito na yun guys. Ilagay na namin ang bed. Malaki talaga ito guys sa personal king bed ito.
Okay.
Mabigat rin.
On the side, there's straps.
Kaya kami dalawa ni Aaron na
It's a lot higher than I thought.
nag-exercise ako nito
Seems
guys.
higher.
Kaya ito ang hitsura ko. Napakalaki na ng
No.
katawan ko guys. Kaya
Feels
mag-exercise.
higher for some odd strange
Mag-exercise
reason.
na
Okay.
tayo at bawas-bawasan
take
na
this
natin
thing
ang
and
only rice.
Probably have to just lift up on the bottom right here.
Ito na yun. Finally, natapos
On the,
na ang
not the
aming
mattress, but the
trabaho.
metal.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
So, tulungan lang kaming dalawa guys. Kami lang talagang dalawa ang nagtutulungan sa bahay.
That'll work for right now.
Nung lumipat kami
Yeah,
ng
with the
bagong
headboard.
bahay guys, kami lang
Then
dalawa
I
rin
get the headboard,
nagtutulungan
I'll pull it out.
sa mga gamit ng bahay.
But for now,
So, yeah, tapos na yan.
That'll be fine.
At
Yeah, it's weird.
lagay
It looks so much
namin
different
ang
than the,
bedsheet. So, yung gamit naming bedsheet, mga luma yan guys.
No, it's
So,
not, I didn't want anything
bumili
like
siya
really
ng
hot.
bago
It's
kasi
getting
hindi
easy,
kasya ang
easy.
mga bago ng ang mga luma naming bedsheet. So, bumili kami pagkatapos nito guys sa Walmart.
Yeah, I don't need a refund.
Ito, ang luma, ang mga ano lang yan. Mga luma lang yan, yung gamit namin nung old
Get
na
all that done.
bed.
That's
Pero
it
bumili
for
kami ng
today's
bago.
video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.